Hi lovely viewers, welcome to your own channel somycrafty. I'm here with an elegant pair of earrings project. So let's start. We have picked one crystal bead, 8 mm with 3 seed beads, and then on crystal beads and 1 seed bead we pass through crystal beads hole, skipping 1 seed bead, and now we pass through 1 seed bead which we beaded in the start, and now we are adding 3 seed beads, 2 seed beads lavano and 1 seed bead golden seed bead eto. Now we have to make double knot here to make it secure, and we are making knot. We are using polyester thread. You can use normal routine thread for this project. Now we pass through seed bead golden seed bead eto's hole, and now here, from here we will start next step. We are adding 4 seed bead, faceted seed beads, 1 silver, 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 gold. Now is in this way we have picked 4 golden and silver seed beads, and now we will pass through these 2 beads from the lower beads. We will start it. We picked 2 beads, 1 silver, 1 gold. We pass through these 2 beads, and now we have to add this silver bicone 3 mm with 1 golden seed bead lavano. We will skip the golden bead seed bead, and now we pass through bicone and 3 more seed beads. After passing these beads, we are adding here 1 bicone, golden bicone 3 mm with 1 golden seed bead lavano, and we will skip the lavano and we will pass through golden bicone and the next 2 seed beads, previous beads. Now in this way we add this bicone and seed bead here. This is St. Peter's stitch pattern, lovely pattern to work. We are making on my channel. You can see I before this project I have made many earrings with this pattern, and very elegant earrings I made with this pattern following this pattern. Now today golden and silver's elegant combination is here. We are working in this project with bicone, golden silver bicones and golden and silver faceted beads and golden seed bead 11 so a very good color combinations. I hope you would like it and you must try it. These are very lightweight long earrings. Now we are working in St. Peter's pattern. We have to add each time 4 beads together, and then we step up. Now here, after passing bicone and 3 seed beads, our thread is coming from 1 seed bead. Here we have to add 1 silver bicone and 1 seed bead 11, and now skipping seed bead 11, we will pass through silver bicone and 2 seed beads, faceted seed beads 8. 1 silver and 1 golden beads are here. Here we will repeat all these steps again and again, and then at the end an elegant pair of earrings will be in our hands. So it's very easy, and you can make it easily, you can learn it easily. Here again we are adding 4. We have to add here 4 faceted seed beads, golden and silver. And now it's the turn of silver bicone. Skipping 1 seed bead 11, we are passing through seed beads and bicone. And here we have to add one more time 1 bicone. In this way we will repeat all the steps, and we will continue our earrings making. So you can easily make it, you can easily learn it. So continuing the same steps, we will make it easily. Now have a look of elegant earring. Now it's the time to add here ear wire. We are adding it with 1 silver, 1 golden seed bead 8 ear wire, and then again 1 golden and 1 silver seed bead 8. We have to add it passing through the upper bead, golden seed bead. We have passed through this bead, and these are added, and now we have to reinforce our ear wire and seed beads. After we have reinforced, we will make some finishing knots on our earrings back, and then we will finish the process of earrings making. Now we have to make 2 or 3 times finishing knots, and to make our work secure. Now we will trim extra thread, and here you can look at today's project. It's ready. Our earrings are ready. I hope you would like to make it. You must try. Very easy but very elegant earrings. The color combination is unique with the champagne color crystal bead. Elegant look of today's project here. Lovely lovely viewers. I will remind you, as I always remind you, don't forget to subscribe your channel. It's very important for me. It's very necessary for this channel's growth. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I come here with the elegant projects, tutorials. All tutorials and patterns are free for you, for my lovely viewers. So thanks for watching, and keep watching somycrafty YouTube channel, your own channel. Here are the final looks, videos and pics for my lovely viewers. Don't skip these videos I make for you. So enjoy these videos, enjoy these pics of today's project. I upload on my channel YouTube shorts, so do watch my channel's shorts videos as well. Thanks for watching. I will say bye now. Take care of yourself and your family, and keep yourself in positive creative activities and be happy. Take care. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.